Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a elegant beauty that sits in the upscale community of Twickenham Heights, St. Catherine. This split level home spans over 4,700 square feet. The lot itself is over 13,000 square feet. The home features 4 bedrooms with bathrooms ensuite, bay windows and walk-in closets, breakfast room, formal dining room, sunken living room and office, laundry area, helpers quarters, garage and a cozy gazebo to enjoy evening breeze. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.